Hey there, welcome to Python Basics tutorial. So this video is the 9th video of the series Python Basics, and in this video we will be learning dictionary comprehension. So in the last video we saw dictionary and we saw that how we can create dictionary and we can use in Python programming. So in this video we will be creating dictionary using dictionary comprehension. So dictionary comprehension is an efficient way of creating dictionary in Python. Okay, so let's start with problem number 1. In problem number 1 we have to create a dictionary with number as key and value as the square of the key in the range of 1 to 10. Okay, so in problem number 1 we have to create dictionary in the usual way. So to create dictionary we have to define a variable, that is I will be defining temp, and I will be creating a dictionary, an empty dictionary like this. And now I will be using for loop to insert the pair, that is for I in range of 1 to 11. Since we want the number from 1 to 10, therefore we are writing 1 to 11 because the last value, that is 11, will not be included. Okay, so now to insert values, key value pair, we write temp, and inside parenthesis square bracket we write I, and as a value we want the square of the key, that is I into I. This will create a dictionary with key from 1 to 10, and the corresponding value will be the square of the key. So if I try to print the items, that is the pair, using for loop for item in temp dot items, then we will be getting the pair. I will be running the file by Python dict comprehension. So as we can see, we are getting the key from 1 to 10, and the corresponding value will be the square of the key, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on. Okay, so like this we create dictionary. Now in problem number 2 we have to create the same dictionary using dictionary comprehension. Okay, now we have to create the dictionary using the dictionary comprehension. So let the variable be temp. Now we want to create dictionary using dictionary comprehension, so we have to write everything inside the curly braces. So inside curly braces we first have to write the key. So let the key be I, and after colon we write its value. So its value will be the I square, that is key square. So we write I star key as 2. Now since we want the key to go from 1 to 10, so here we have to apply for loop for I in range from 1 to 11. That's it. It will create the dictionary, and as key from 1 to 10, and the value will be the square of the key. Now if you try to print it for item in temp dot items print item, then we will be getting the same output. As we can see, we are getting the same result that we have got in problem number 1, and like this we create dictionary using dictionary comprehension. This first line is dictionary comprehension. Okay. Now in problem number 3, using the dictionary of above problem, create a new dictionary with the same key but values are the key of the key. Okay, we are given this dictionary and we want to create a new dictionary with the help of the dictionary temp. where the key will be the key of the dictionary temp, but the value will be the cube of the key. Okay, so let the new dictionary be new temp. And now again we have to write everything inside the curly braces. Let the key be k, and after colon we write its value. So we write k cube, that is k star star 3. Now this variable k is coming from the dictionary temp. So here we have to use for loop for k in temp dot keys. It will extract all the key from the dictionary temp and will give to the expression k cube. Okay. Now if I try to print it using for loop for item in new temp dot items, then we will be getting the pair and the new dictionary. Print item. As we can see, we are getting the key from 1 to 10, and the corresponding value will be the cube of the key, that is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, and so on. So like this we use another dictionary to create a new dictionary. Okay. Now in problem number 4, we have to use the same dictionary and where the key as odd number and their value will be the square of the key. Okay, so we have to use this dictionary and we have to create another dictionary with key as odd of temp key and the corresponding value will be the square. Okay, let the new dictionary be new temp, and again we have to write everything inside the curly braces. Let the key be k. Now we want the square of the key, so we write k star star square 2. Now this k will be coming from the key of temp, so we write for k in range, sorry, here we have to extract the key of temp, so we write temp dot keys. But here we have to apply an if condition. We have to pass the key of temp only when the key, that is k, is odd. So here we have to use an if condition. If k %2 is not equals to 0, if this condition is true, then only we have to pass the key, that is k, to the value k square and k. Okay, now if I try to print it using the for loop, then we will be getting the pair for item in new temp dot items. Print item. As we can see, we are getting the key as odd number and its corresponding value will be the square of the key, that is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and 9 square. Okay, so this solves problem number 4. Now in problem number 5, we are given using the dictionary of problem number 2, create a dictionary with same key and values as when value is odd, insert value as odd, and when the value is even, insert value as even. Okay, we are given this dictionary and we have to create a new dictionary. Let it be new temp, and again we have to write everything inside the curly braces. Now we want the key to be the key of the dictionary temp, so here we have to write k and the value will be coming from the new dictionary, and when the value that will be coming from the new dictionary is odd, then we have to insert odd. Here we have to apply if condition. We have to insert this string odd when the value is odd. So let the value that will be coming from the dictionary temp be v. So here we have tried if v %2 is not equals to 0, then only we have to pass the string odd to the new dictionary new temp. At an else condition we have to pass even. So this is the value that will be stored with key as pair. Now this key, that is k, and the v, that is value, will be coming from the dictionary temp. So here we have to apply for key and value, that is k and v, in temp dot items. Okay, this will create the desired output that the problem want. Now I will be printing it, that is for item in new temp dot items, print items. Here we are getting an error, so here we have to pass item. Now we are getting the key from 1 to 10, and the corresponding value will be a string. When the key is odd, we are getting the string odd. When the key is even, we are getting even. So this solves problem number 5, and I hope you understood the concept of dictionary and how to use them in Python programming. Okay, thank you for watching the video.